at question 6. So it says that Miss Spelling has enough sheets of paper to give each pupil in her class 3 sheets and have 31 sheets left over. Alternatively, she could give each pupil 4 sheets and have 8 sheets left over. So how many sheets of paper does she have? Basically, let's say the number of pupils is going to be x, such that the number of sheets can be represented by 3x adding 31 or 4x adding 8. Now we can list an equation there to find the number of students. So it means that 4x take away 3x, which is x, is going to be 31 take away 8, that is 23. Alright, so it means that she has 23 students, and the number of sheets is equal to 3 times 23 adding 31, which is going to be 69 adding 31, that is 100. So the answer is E for question 6. Alright, and then for question number 7, so this one is kind of a nasty question because it's a little bit hard for you to imagine how things going. But then the thing is that you can see that the 2 holes there are on the opposite opposite edges of a cube, which means that the first one can't be the answer because they are next to each other. The second one can't be the answer because they are of different directions. The third one, well, possibly, let's just leave it first. The fourth one, nope, that's not the answer because the 2 holes are next to each other. And E, no, that's wrong either because they are in the middle of each phase, right? So it means that C has to be the answer, and the answer is going to be C. Now, let's take a look at question 8. One angle of an isosceles triangle is 30 degrees. Which of the following could be the difference between the other 2 angles? So there can be 2 different angles formed here with one angle as 30 degrees. If 30 is the top angle, it means that the 2 other angles are going to be the same, right? And they are both 75 degrees because they add up to 180, yeah? But if 30 is the base angle, it means that the other 2 angles are going to be 30 degrees and 120 degrees. So the difference between them is going to be 90, take away 30, that's 120, take away 90, 120, take away 30, that's 90 degrees. Alright, so the answer is E. Next, for question number 9, it says that a piece of paper in the shape of a regular hexagon is folded such that the 3 marks meet at center O of the hexagon. What is the shape of the figure that is formed? So, basically, if this is going to meet O, it means that, well, we are just trying to find the line of folding for the 3 points. So this goes there, this goes there, this goes there. And, well, if you look at the dotted lines that are folded, you can see that it's going to be an equilateral triangle, right? So the answer is going to be E for an equilateral triangle. Now, question number 10. It says that 4 circles of radius 5 centimeters are touching the sides of a square and each other as shown in the diagram. So on each side of the square, there's an equilateral triangle drawn to form a 4-pointed star. What is the perimeter of the star? Okay, so if the radius of a circle is 5, then it means that the diameter is 10, which means that for each circle, the diameter is going to be 10, which means that the length of the square is 20, and it means that the length of the equilateral triangle is also 20. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides for this star, which means that the perimeter is equal to 20 times 8, that is going to be 160 centimeters. Alright, so D is the answer to this question.